Hello grade 12s and welcome to another technical mathematics revision session. Right now I'm going to be looking at some of the questions that I took for the June exam. Please note that all questions are modified from past papers. So yeah, just note that, okay? I've divided them according to parts. Just in case you don't see, power is equal to 4 watts, then there's a 25 ohm resistor. Okay. So 1.1 states solve for x, and then 1.1.1 you have 2x plus 3x squared over 5 is equal to 0. So you should see that the common factor is x. 2x divided by x is 2 plus 3x squared over 5 divided by x becomes 3x to the power 2 minus 1 over 5, which is 3x over 5. 0. Okay. So x is equal to 0, or we can write it as 3x over 5 plus 2 is equal to 0. Then 3x over 5 is equal to negative 2. x is negative 2 divided by 3 over 5. So therefore the final answer, x is 0 or x is negative 2 divided by 3 over 5, negative 10 over 3. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Now it's time for verification. 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0 over 5. We get 0 as we can see, and then let's substitute negative 10 over 3. Zeros. So the solutions are both correct. Okay, 1.1.2 we have 4x open bracket 7x minus 8 close bracket is equal to negative 153 over 25. So we expand and then we bring this to the other side. 4x times 7x, 4 times 7 is 28, x times x is x squared. Positive times negative is negative. 4 times 8 is 32. Then you have x. This goes to the other side, it becomes positive 153 over 25 is equal to 0. So A is 28, B is negative 32, C is 153 over 25. X is equal to minus B, negative 32, plus minus square root of negative 32 squared minus 4 is 28. C is 153 over 25. Two times 28. Okay, you can negative times negative is positive. Then let's say negative 32 8464 over 25. 2 times 28 is 56. So 32 minus 17 over 70. Then we move to the plus 9 over 10. Let us see for 17 over 70. 7 negative 153 over 25. Here it is when we use 17 over 70. Now let's use 9 over 10. Negative 153 over 25. So both solutions are correct. I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 1.1.3, 2x open bracket, x plus 1 close bracket is equal to 11. And then it says correct to 2 decimal places. So we write it in standard form, use the quadratic formula, and then final answers to 2 decimal places. Standard form we expand. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times positive 1 is plus 2x. 11 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 11. It's equal to 0. Okay. And then a is 2, b is 2, c is negative 11. So x is minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 squared minus 4. A is 2, c is negative 11. All over 2 times 2. Negative 2 minus square root of 2 squared minus 4. A is 2, c is negative 11. 2 times 2. So negative 2, 897915762, which is negative 2, 1, 2, 3. 7 is significant. This becomes 10. 0 carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Negative 2, 90. We now go to the plus. 1,90, because the answer is 1,8979155762. So 1, 2, 3. 7 is significant, becomes 10. 0 carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 1,90. Again, verification. 2 times negative 2,90 times, negative 2,90 plus 1. 11,02, close to 11 as we can see, so that's correct. Now we try 1,90. Once again, 11,02. It's close, so both solutions are correct. Hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. 1.1.4, 3x open bracket x minus 4 close bracket is equal to 5. And then in brackets it says correct to 3 decimal points. Once again, we write it in standard form, use the quadratic formula, and then we are done. So 3x times x is 3x squared. Right? 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. 5 goes to the other side, it becomes negative 5. Is equal to 0. X is minus b is negative 12 plus minus square root of b is negative 12 squared minus 4. A is 3, c is negative 5, all over 2, a is 3. So it's negative 12 minus square root of negative 12 squared minus 4. A is 3, c is negative 5. Negative 0,3804761428. 3 decimal places, so you count for 1, 2, 3, 4. Insignificant, so negative 0,380. Then we go to the plus. 4,3804761443. 3 decimals, so you count for 1, 2, 3, 4. For insignificant, 4,380. Then we are going to try both of them. 3 open bracket, negative 0,380. It's negative 0.380 minus 4. So it's close to 5, so it's correct. Now we try 4.380. Still close to 5, so that is, both solutions are correct. 1.1.5, 25x squared is less than or equal to 169. Remember, everything must be equal to 0, so 25x squared. This positive 169 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 169, less than or equal to 0. So as you can see, we have a difference of 2 squares, less than or equal to 0. Square root of 25x squared is 5x. Square root of 169 is 13. This side is positive, this side is negative. So the critical values are x is equal to plus minus 13 over 5. Because it's going to be x 5x plus 13 is equal to 0, or 5x minus 13 is equal to 0. Take 13 to the other side, 1 becomes negative, 1 becomes positive. Divide both sides by 5. Negative 13 over 5 as well as positive 13 over 5. Hope that is clear. Now we have to sketch. Okay. I hope you know how we do it. Okay, let me just sketch the x-axis. Here it's going to be negative 13 over 5. Here it's going to be 13 over 5. Right? Then it must always be a smiley face because we simplify it. The sign is less than or equal to 0, as you can see here. In there. So below, on or below the line. To the left it's above. Here it's on, so we include it. To the right it's below, so it's included in the solution. And then here to the left it's below, so it's included. On it, it's included. To the right it's above, so we don't include it. So as we can see, x is greater than or equal to negative 13 over 5, or x is less than or equal to 13 over 5. X is greater than or equal to negative 13 over 5, or x is less than or equal to 13 over 5. The final solution is going to be negative 13 over 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 13 over 5. Hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. 1.1.6, x open bracket 11x minus 141 close bracket is greater than 26. Then it states represent the solution set on a number line. Okay, not enough space. Once again, my stupidity. Standard form, x times 11x is 11x squared. X times negative 141 is minus 141x. 26 go to the other side, it becomes minus 26 greater than 0. Once again, quadratic formula. Minus 141 plus minus so the critical values, x is negative 141. Going to start with minus Negative 2 over 11. Interesting. Our x is, let's go to plus 13. Okay. Okay, my lack of space is the issue again here. So I'm just going to use this side, right? Okay, I'm gonna make the sketch this side. Negative 2 over 11, then 13. Okay, greater than. The sign is greater than. Here it is. So the solutions are not included. So to the left of negative 2 over 11 is above. It is greater than. So that way. This is not included. To the right it's below. So we don't include it. 13 to the left below. We don't include this one. And then to the right it's above. Okay. So we are going to say x is less than negative 2 over 11, or x is greater than 13. And then to sketch the number lines on a solution, to sketch the solution on a number line, my apologies. So that's the sketch, right? Please note that this is the same as this. Okay? Okay, I hope that is clear, and I truly hope that makes absolute sense. 1.2 states, solve for x and y if y minus x is equal to 5 and x squared over y is equal to 9 over 2. So you label the equations. Y minus x is equal to 5 is equation number 1. X squared over y, 9 over 2 is equation number 2. Then we use equation number 1. From equation number 1, make y subject of the formula. Okay, hope that is clear. So y is going to be 5 plus x, or y is x plus 5. This is equation number 3. Then we're going to substitute equation number 3 into equation number 2. So we have x squared over y is x plus 5 being equal to 9 over 2. Cross multiply. 2 times x is 2x squared is equal to 9 times x plus 5. 9 times x is 9x. 9 times 5 plus 45. Remember, everything must be equal to 0. So it's going to be 2x squared minus 9x minus 45, 0, 0. 45. Root of 45. 1 and 45. 1 minus 45 is 44. Not 2. 3 and 15. Yes. 15 minus 2 times 3 is 9. So 3 and 15. 2x and x. 3, 15. Give the bigger number the sign of the middle term. Minus, plus. So solution is x is equal to 15 over 2 or x is negative 3. Then we substitute x into equation number 3, since x is already subject of the formula, since y is already subject of the formula, right? Y is 15 over 2 plus 5 25 over 2, or y is negative 3 plus 5, which is 2. Then we write them in an ordered pair. Negative 3, 2, and 15 over 2, 25 over 2. So let's try. What is y? 2 minus, what is x? Negative 3. 5. That's the first solution, as we can see here. Now let's try. Negative 3 squared over 2. 9 over 2, second solution here. Let's try the other one. Y is 25 over 2 minus 15 over 2, 5. Here it is. Then I'm going to try 15 over 2 squared divided by 25 over 2. 9 over 2 here it is, and here is the solution. So both solutions are correct. Okay, I know that may have been too many steps, but you need to continue to practice. I hope that was clear, and I hope that makes sense. So 1.3 states, the diagram below shows a simple electric circuit with a light bulb connected by a conducting wire to a small battery. Okay, so we have, this is the light bulb or the lamp with a power rating of 4 watts. This is a 25 ohm resistor, hope that is clear. And then this is the battery, which is the power source, positive terminal, negative terminal. This is a voltmeter, and it measures volts. Now the units are power, P is in watts, resistance is R, it's in ohms, potential difference is V, it's in volts. Okay, we are given the formula. If P is equal to V squared over R, 1.3.1 states, make V subject of the formula. So P, V squared over R. Then we cross multiply. 1 times V squared is V squared. P times R is PR. Square root of PR. Okay, I hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. 1.3.2 states, calculate the potential difference across the battery. So we use this formula to calculate this. So just gonna substitute square root of P 4 watts times R 25 ohms. Square root of 4 times 25, 10. So 10 volts. Sorry, you don't write here, right? It's just that I ran out of space. I know I always make excuses and stuff, but please grin and bear with it. The steps are more important. Okay, I hope that wasn't too hard. Now there's a question about binary numbers. I haven't gotten enough of that in my head yet to make an example for you, so please forgive me for that. Alright, let me just show you what I prepared for part 2. That's a short glimpse of the second segment. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. If you found this video helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.